Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ferris, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I identified the dip in Ripple earlier this morning, where I bought in and how I bought in and how I executed my whole game plan. I actually did take a position on Ripple at around 161 earlier this morning around 1 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm going to show you guys how I did that and teach you my ways. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just how I trade, and I'm sharing my knowledge with you. But before we get into that, as promised, I'll be giving away the 5 Ripple and the 25 Stellar from those videos because those milestones were hit. So let's first start off with the Stellar. Basically, what we're going to do is copy and paste this, go into this YouTube random comment picker, type in the URL. I know in this video I already checked the comments. A lot of people didn't put their address in, so I might have to spin a few times. Oh, first guy right here. Brenton Mickle, love the idea of lumens and that it's built on Ripple. My Ripple. So guys, I've been trying to finish this video for the past few hours. I had to go to work, but I can't seem to get my RipX wallet to send out the transaction. We'll try it again right here. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna keep trying it till we get it. But basically, just copy and paste this here. We're gonna go into here, random comment picker. And then after this, I'm gonna discuss my dip buy. I'm about to actually dip buy Ripple. I already sold my position, made 20 cents on it. When I started to see it was coming down, and now it's holding again at 160. Might look for a dip buy, a small 200 share position. Alright, so Simon, obviously didn't put his code. Alright, Farik Salama, well, do you, man. Good, congratulations. See, it's just simple, easy. You won your Ripple. Let's send you 5 Ripple, my guy. Paste. 5 Ripple. Okay, looks good. Confirm. Boom. All right, there we go, guys. So I just sent him 5 Ripple. We can just go to the history. 5 Ripple was just sent to my guy Farik Salam. There you go. That was 5 Ripple, guys. As you can see, I do not BS. I'm straight up with what I say. I appreciate what you guys do for me and all the support. I mean, it's crazy. You guys got so many views on this video, so it's awesome. And I hope you enjoy your free Ripple. If you guys want more of these giveaways, I'll do them for sure. You know, as long as you like them, I'll keep doing them. Anyway, guys, so let's start with the dip buy. So as you guys know, I was talking right in earlier this video. I bought in here thinking this was the dip. It wasn't. But I still bought in so low. I made a profit. I mean, I should have sold up here. I got a little greedy. I thought it would keep going. It didn't. And then I sold right here around 180 after I came back from work, which sucked. But basically, right now, I'm in Binance coin just to preserve the value of my capital. I didn't want to put it in the US Tether and not make any money off of it on price movements, or not just have it in Bitcoin and lose value of my money. So it's because Bitcoin's just moving back and forth. But anyway, I added like $250 from my CoinBase Bitcoin Cash I had in there. And I turned it into Ethereum, and I'm about to buy some Ripple. Reason why I want to buy Ripple and what I was looking for is, okay, I drew this trend line that it's bounced off of numerous times, copious amounts of times. You know, you can make it tighter, or you know, it just depends, but you could see, you know, Ripple has been moving off this trend line pretty much perfectly. Okay, and it's right at it here. You know, it could go below it a little bit, but pretty much perfectly, and this is where the last ascending triangle was. So I'm either seeing this could be a perfect support, and we can see there's a wall there. So I buy it, it could start riding back up to 2, or it starts coming down to 150, 140. I cut the loss and I'm out. So that's why I'm going with about $250 worth of US dollars in this position. So as you guys can see, that's like kind of my thought basis around it. It's a dip. A lot of people are panicking, so why not take advantage of them and, you know, get it on the reversal. So we're gonna go to BTC. Oh no, we got Ethereum. Then we're gonna go to XRP. So Sorry, there's so many coins. XRP. So up 2%, you can see just like crashed. Great, awesome, I love it. And we want to buy it right here. Maybe we can get another, you know, push back up. On the hourly, it looks good. You know, it just hit a bottom and we could get a little dip up. So let's do it. Depth looks even. All I'm gonna do, 156 coins of Ripple. There's a lot of buyers, and my risk is about 150. So it's at 163. I'll risk 155, and I'll jump in right here on the bid. So there's my position. Just took it. You can see bought Ripple 156. Why I'm doing it is because, you know, it's obviously had such a drop in value based off things that have nothing to do with Ripple, as in themselves. Sorry guys, slice if I'm just a little off. Basically, Bitcoin dropped, they dropped, CoinMarketCap screwed their market thing, and South Korea is trying to go after the Korean regulations, but it has nothing to do with Ripple in a sense of what they're providing the community and the value they're providing. So eventually they'll definitely catch up back to where they were at $3. It's gonna take some time. Ripple has real utility, and I think this move was definitely a little too over drastic. It was more, a lot of different factors took place that manipulated the price. So if I get $2, great. I'll take out, you know, a good 40-cent gain on each coin I have, maybe even more. But that's my goal, guys. A good 40 cents. I'll probably start taking off half my position and go on from there. If it goes to 155, I'll reevaluate my decision and probably cut the loss. But that's really it, guys. I wanted to show you guys what I was thinking about this Ripple dip, my thoughts, and how I make an analysis on make a purchase on a cryptocurrency. You guys can look at this and maybe think, have this type of thought perspective when you make a decision, or add to your decisions, your decision process. But yeah, that's really it, guys. This is how I buy on a dip. When people fear and have panic, I like to take advantage of the cheap prices. Oh, that's really it, guys. So thank you again for watching the videos. Thank you again for all the support. I really do appreciate everything you guys have done for me. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed that 25 stellar and the 5 Ripple XRP giveaway. More to come in the future. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.